subscribers, welcome to Schematics tutorial. This video is about TS set December 2023 cutoff marks, which is subject wise, category wise, and number of candidates registered, number of candidates passed. So everything is given in this video very clearly. You can go through that, which will be useful for a next set exam 2020-24. If you take any subject, so the subject wise category cutoff is clearly given, general cutoff and human cutoff. So if you can take this subject economics, here you can see general cutoff and human cutoff clearly according to the category wise. Each cutoff also is given. So number of candidates registered, appeared and cleared also is given clearly. Go through this video carefully.